Okay, where are we at? Okay, we needed to change this model to model 3. Okay, where are we? All right, easy fix, update the model. What's exact model identifier? Okay, I need to show model identifier. Load up this model. Let's see if this works better. Let's see if this works better. WB local. Whoa. Okay, let's see if this works now. Let's see. Let's see here. Let's load it up with number 3. Let's see if this works. It's translating. Okay, prompt progress is pretty fast. Tokens going by much faster than our HEMA 4B model. So it should speed things up. Hopefully it'll be as accurate, if not more. But we'll see. Okay, 22 fields, all done within a reasonable time this time. So yeah, we're gonna keep that model. Okay, perfect. Okay, 22 fields, good. Continue. Create this digital product. Okay. Publish digital product. Okay, this now needs to be more aligned with exactly the information that we have. So how do we see inspect element? Let's see console elements. Okay. We can delete product. Let's see, confirm. Let's delete all these. Delete. Is it actually deleting them? We have 7. Number 7. Okay, yeah, it's actually deleting them. It is actually deleting them. Okay. Now, what do we do next? What's next? All right, so now we want this page to reflect our digital product page. We need our digital product page to reflect the inputs from the AI generated inputs. Well, I guess from the digital, after reflect the inputs, we input after the digital product creation. So we need our digital product page to reflect the inputs we input after the digital product creation. Okay. Get past to digital product. Yeah. Okay, what else was I gonna do? Okay. Digital product section. Let's take a look. Imports, interface, tabs, helpers, PO status. Okay. Now we have to restart this. Let's see if it actually works. So this is really neat. I mean, I think this is gonna really be helpful for people who are sourcing coffee products. Either the importers, which need this information to be able to essentially get past customs, and also the buyers that can see more information about the product and be more sure that the quality is up to par. Let's close this. Let's do this. Okay. Let's add product here. Okay, this model is not, it's just HEMA 3. And then we'll add this guy. Well, we can do create a new one. So we go marketplace Peru, marketplace. Where is it? B2B. All right, let's do coffee. I just saw that they were looking for people. They're looking Prom Peru. Prom Peru is like the place where the tourism and ministry, they created a place for. Oh, this is not it. This is my WhatsApp. For these coffee producers to sign up. And where is this? Where are they? Where's this guy, man? Andy. So they created this. Connect on this. Yeah, so they created this cooperative associations, coffee, cacao, and grains to sign up for this traceability program for organic inscriptions until 30th of April. And, a lot of these businesses, right, this is a good place for them to create more value, to essentially be able to capitalize off their organic regular, so their own processes, right? So the ability to showcase that you have the correct documentation and processes in place, it brings your product to a much wider audience at a much more valuable level. Like just being organized itself, right, can create value. By being able to say, look at this is what my process is. It's free to the market. This is how much it's like worth for like other people. So like people can actually start to speculate. Okay, like how much is this information actually worth to the guy that's like buying up my coffee, right? Even if they don't sell it directly to somebody, they can, like the people that, not only the people that are buying the coffee, but the people that they're selling it to, and it's just a much better improved system than what we currently have now. Let's continue. And this is my other business. This is my recruiting platform for recruiters. Also have a bounty system here for any recruiter that wants to recruit for bounties. These are really, really great opportunities here to recruit for. Tough to find, to be frank with you. I mean, there's several platforms that provide this opportunity to recruit for these guys, but to be able to get other recruiters involved, like not only are you able to like recruit for these roles, but then turn around and give it to other recruiters to recruit for, right? And like create teams and small groups of recruiters to essentially like get to fill these roles. All right, let's go to one of these. Let's go to this guy. Which one do we want? Let's do this one. Do this one. Okay. All right. Let's see. It's weird that they don't have any photos, man. That's so crazy. How do they not have any photos? None of these have photos. Like none of them. Isn't that crazy? Lord have mercy. All right. So what we do here, we're going to scrape this guy. We're going to scrape. Agent, scrape web. Let's see. No, we need here. Run. And we're going to write down the markdown file. We're going to From the markdown file, we'll feed it directly into the platform. So it seems like, okay, what is this? We need to reflect, okay. Okay, we didn't add this. Okay, we need to add this. Okay, all right. All right, all right, let's see here. Digital product. And then here, this is digital product, this is add product. So route state now maps every form state field into appropriate section. Okay, so from add product, it maps it directly into our digital product, into these, what are they called? Into this interface. All right, so now add product here. Okay. Oh, what we got going on here? There's something here. Inspection parameters. Does not exist. Inspection parameters, and are all collected by the form, but never included in the state. So where are we at here? Form, let's see, packaging, material. I'll bet you that we can no inspection parameters. Let's see if this is somewhere here. Yeah, so add product, this is an inspection parameters. So there's no inspection, there is no, so I'm getting an error, I'm getting a problem. Problem. Copy message, okay. In the form state. Okay, so now we got this. Now we just need to restart the server. Okay, and erase, close this. And then open this guy up again. Start sh. Now we have this. Let's add the product here. So essentially at some point we're gonna add a huge catalog, right? Like this single form will begin to be more automated, and we're gonna create like a nice big data pipeline of all of these scraped products that have all these details, and obviously like missing some of these other details, but essentially giving the customer a nice place to source from. And then individually, like once they start to message me, hey, like we need these values or these things, I can then add on the customer, which I will do like with a nice outbound marketing campaign, to start to add some of these products like manually for them. Also, if they have like a CSV file that they can just scrape from, or they already have like within their own ERP system or Excel sheets or whatever, we can use this AI assist to be able to autofill some of this information, and then the stuff that they don't have, like they can just input manually. I think it's gonna be really successful. So we'll apply all of these. It looks like we're missing a lot of key information, like the harvest period, which farm cooperative here. Doesn't seem like they have that. But we have the moisture, we have the roast level, processing. So we have some good information here. Enough for us, like this code is really important, like sanitary registration. Like this code is basically allows us to say, okay, this product is good to export like today, right? And then all of these additional upload certificates. We're going to start from Peru, but essentially what we'll do is we'll get enough companies from compliance data from different countries. We'll start to implement these certificates within each country. We'll start with Latin America, and then we'll continue to grow into other continents. Really nice here, nice fields here. Everything pretty much straightforward. Nice lead time, information, and then a exporter names. Okay, create digital product. Now we want to see this stuff really input here. Still not completely there. I had to stop for now.